All right, so I got one of my buddies here with me today. We're going to be doing some shooting, running on different couple platforms, some different drills. This is something that I saw it online and I wasn't really sure about this product. So I bought one, figured I would do an unboxing. And I got my buddy here with me because I want to see what his first impression is. I have a feeling I know what mine's going to be, but he has no idea what this is. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's see if this is something that we can use on the range, or if this is something that we should add to our equipment. What do you think? What do you think it is? Just based on the shape of this box, what do you think might be in here?
No clue.
No clue at all?
None.
No clue? Okay. Most of it here is packaging. All right, so we just got packaging. All right, Surefire Suppressor. Now this has been in my closet for a couple months. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I just haven't been excited to do an unboxing about it, but we're gonna run this a little bit today and see how it performs. What's your initial thoughts so far? You think we're gonna have fun with this?
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is good fun. So let's see, Surefire Suppressor. That gets people pretty excited. All right, so here we have a little manual. Cool, whatever. Here we go. Take a little look. Might be some fun shit. What do you think?
Fucking A!
Yeah, yes.
All right, we've got some commentary from the back too. Fucking A, which I agree. Okay, what do you think about this for 300?
Yeah, I think it's going to be perfect.
You think it's going to be perfect?
Yeah, for sure.
What? Go ahead and take a closer look. Look at the muzzle end of that.
Yeah.
It's a trainer.
Yeah. So, but you don't have the disc for it.
Dude, what do you think, man? It's a fucking trainer. You know how much that thing was?
Just to be a trainer, how much?
Dude, that thing was over $300 from Surefire. It's a trainer.
Really? Just for the weight?
Just for the weight, yeah. Wow. CQB, you can practice, not hitting that muzzle coming up when you're pieing and stuff. Yeah. It's a trainer. It is supposed to mimic the exact weight. Obviously, it's that quick detach.
Yeah.
But as far as any practical beyond that, I mean, living in California where we can't have suppressors, what do you think about this product? It looks cool.
Yeah, it looks cool, but I mean,
but it's not about looks, is it?
Civilian market. I wouldn't really see a use for it. I mean, it'd be a cool fakie.
Yeah.
But I don't know. If I wasn't going to be able to use it in the field, I don't think I'd use it in practice.
Yeah, I think that's a good point. Just in case my audio didn't pick that up, he said if he can't use it in the field, why use it in practice? And that applies to a lot of people. I think a lot of people probably buying this. I could see maybe where Surefire might have some type of contract and might be able to get this into some training environments where they're shooting blanks because the rifle will cycle with this. But I don't know, man. I'm thinking about doing a video, top 10 real uses for this thing. So if you have any ideas what this could be used for, you could, if you've got a dog, you could play fetch or something.
Boat anchor.
Boat anchor is a good one for a small boat. Thinking maybe if you're rolling like some dough or you've got children and use some Play-Doh or something.
There you go.
I don't know, man. You could beat somebody with it, but
you got me super excited at first.
I know. I'm sorry about that. It looks cool.
It does look cool.
It looks cool, but I just don't see the practical reason. So, quite frankly, we're probably going to run this for a little bit, just see what it's all about. And I don't know. I've had it a couple months. Hopefully, I can return it because, quite frankly, I don't see the use for it. But just one of those things. I was curious about it. Interesting new product. Heard a lot of chatter online about it. Got it. So yeah, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. So what do you think? You think this is gonna make it quieter at all? Don't think so? I don't either. Would be kind of cool if it does, but yeah, we'll see. It's actually kind of cool.
It's pretty cool.